Hey everybody, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at AMEX stock, Evolve Transition Infrastructure LP, ticker symbol SNMP, a stock which ran parabolic today after we called it at 43 cents. Before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. If you want access to our private Discord so that you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. This morning at 9:58 a.m., we called out SNMP, the stock featured in this video, at 43 cents, and it ran up 3,000% today at $14.44 a share. We also called out FOXO pre-market today, and it ran up 135%. We also called out YELL this morning, which ran up 180%. We are just made different. Just made different. The early bird gets the cash. By the way, we have also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what has been working for us. So let's get right into it with Evolve Transition Infrastructure LP, ticker symbol SNMP, which is located in Houston, Texas. It is an AMEX-traded energy and fossil fuels company with a $38.16 million market cap and 9 employees. Evolve Transition Infrastructure LP is a company that is focused on the acquisition, development, and ownership of infrastructure. This means they own and operate systems that help move natural gas around in South Texas. The company's main goal is to support the shift to cleaner energy sources. They're always on the lookout for more opportunities to work on projects that help with this energy transition. Evolve Transition Infrastructure LP makes money by earning revenue from the lease agreements for gathering and transporting natural gas from one place to another. SNMP was established in 2006. Now, let's look at SNMP's most recent news. On July 25th, 2023, it received a letter from the NYSE American LLC, which is the organization that manages the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, acknowledging that it had fixed a problem that was causing the price of their shares to be too low. This was a concern for the stock exchange rules. Because SNMP fixed the issue, the people in charge of overseeing NYSE, decided not to remove the company's shares from trading or delisting them. They had previously suspended trading, but now they lifted that suspension. The lifting of the suspension is conditional through 2024. The price on SNMP's stock was pushed far upward today, I mentioned before that we called this stock early this morning at 43 cents a share in our private Discord. By 4:05 p.m. today, it had gone up 3,000. You heard me right, 3,000% to $14.44 a share. This news could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. On the recording of this video, July 31st, 2023, the stock is now trading at $14.44. Undoubtedly, the news on the lifting of the NYSE's trading restriction on SNMP stock can continue to move the price action upward for SNMP. A continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord so that you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers, a lot of times. We're just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how to read the candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Evolve Transition Infrastructure LP, SNMP, is an AMEX-traded energy and fossil fuels company, which has recently had its stocks trading restriction conditionally lifted by the NYSE. SNMP is a company we will be watching with the continued increase in volume. We believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Will SNMP run parabolic? It will need continued volume, but who knows for sure? We are still in a choppy market. Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade the stock. This is not advice, and we are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion, and I will have SNMP on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I will see all of you again on the flip side.